Today, the N.C.B Foundation, in partnership with Food for the Poor, is building not one but two houses. Update, guys, here is looking so great. We're gonna look at the other house now. Follow me.
When this storm come here, I was in the house and it blew right from over me. But continue to praise Father and ask him to give you more protection, that we can help more people, just like how they do with me.
The houses are done. Marsha, let's go get the families. Let's go!
I'm happy, overwhelmed. When I say glad, I'm not glad as well. When I get back a roof over my head, I don't know how to set that.
Wish granted. Welcome home. And that's a wrap.